Now you have probably seen this sort of post all over X showing the daily PnL of random wallets. And maybe you're wondering, what app is this? What app can you use to analyze Solana wallets and see their daily PnLs, right? So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what app is doing this. I'm going to show you how you can get your hands on it. And I'm going to also show you how to view any profitable Solana wallet, how to analyze the wallet and see their daily PnL, right? So let's get started with this video. So the app they're using is called Axiom. This is Axiom right here. Axiom is the leading trading platform for Solana meme coins. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this YouTube video where you can go check it out. You can go try it out. I'll also leave a link to one of the videos I've done in the past showing how you can set this up for yourself, how you can set Axiom up. But for now, I want to show you how you can track, how you can analyze any wallet so that you can view their daily PnL and see if it's a wallet that you want to track. If it's profitable, you want to track it. So first of all, what I want to do is I'm going to show you my wallet. So I'm going to show you my wallet, my daily PnL, so you see what it looks like. If I go back to Spot, you want to go to Portfolio. Once you set yourself up on Axiom, what you want to do is you want to go into Portfolio. You want to click on the Portfolio tab and you want to go into Spot. You want to make sure that Spot is the tab you want down here. And here you'll be able to see the progress of any wallet, of your wallet, right? So this is my wallet, right? And then we can go check out my daily PnL. To do that, all you need to do is just come over here to this little calendar icon here. And you see here, you can just click on it. And there you can see the daily PnL, right? So this is July. This is today. This was yesterday. I didn't do any trading yesterday. And you can see this is my daily PnL for the past couple of months, okay? You can see. The interesting thing about it shows you your most profitable day in the month. So for me, for instance, my most profitable day in April was on the 18th, where I made about $1,000. In May, was on the 8th, I made about $1,100. And in June, my most profitable day was on the 11th, where I made about $500. So that is how you would view your own wallet. Now, obviously, if you're new to Axiom and you want to view maybe you've been trading in the past and you want to import your own wallet into Axiom, all you need to do is just come over to wallets here. Make sure you click on portfolio and go into wallets. And then what you want to do is click on import and then grab your private key. And then you're just going to stick it into here. And then you just click on import, and then it's going to import your wallet here. Now, the next thing I want to show you is maybe how can we find some profitable wallets that we can analyze and see if it's wallets that we want to track. So to do that, what we want to do is want to quickly go into maybe we want to find a coin that has done really well for the day. So let's pick this one here, this greatest one here. Right, let's pick that one. And then what we want to do is we want to go into the top traders tab here, right? Just down here, just click on top traders. So what's going to show us is going to show us all the top traders for this token here. So next thing you want to do is you want to find a trader that has spent a little bit of money, but then made a lot. So for instance, like this one here. Now this one here would probably be a bot. So this one is no good. And the way I know that this is a bot is because it doesn't have this pro trader icon next to it. So this probably, and that's one really good thing about Axiom. It tells you who are the real human traders and who are bots, right? And the way you see it is by this icon right next to it. So for instance, now we can see this first person here. They invested only $300 and they walked away with $5,000. So maybe this is a trader that we can check out their wallet, analyze it, and see if they've been profitable. And then we can maybe track them, right? And see how they're performing and see what they're buying into, and then do our research. We must always do our research before buying into any coins, even though these traders are buying into the coins. So This trader now, let's go ahead and analyze it. So to analyze this wallet, all you need to do is just click on the wallet here, click on it, and this comes up, right? And the next thing you want to do is just want to come over here to view PnL calendar, click on it, and we can see here that this trader is really profitable. Today they made $5,000, yesterday $4,000, and then if we go back, ooh, now you see in June, maybe they haven't been so profitable. We can see their biggest day in June was $53,000. So even though this trader lost on many days, they still overall made a ton of money. So maybe you still want to track them or not, right? That's for you to decide. But let's say you decided that you wanted to track this wallet. All you need to do is just come over here to the top left corner. There's a little pencil sign there. You just click on edit and then you just give it a name, right? Any name you like. So for instance, I'm going to say greatest trader. I'm just going to say it like that. So I'm going to save it like that. And then I'm going to change the icon. I'm going to change it to maybe this monkey sign here just for fun, right? And then that's it. You're now tracking this wallet, right? We've got the notification on. So anytime this wallet makes some type of a purchase, when they buy or sell, I'm going to be notified. Axiom is going to notify me that this wallet has bought a token. So, right guys, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found this informative. And if you did, please go ahead, give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video.